Coastal Hire presents your DIY tip of the week. Replacing a doorknob. Replacing a doorknob shouldn't have you twisting and turning for answers. Here's how it's done. You will need a screwdriver and, of course, a doorknob. Choose a set that will cover the marks from the previous doorknob. Remove the old doorknob by using a screwdriver to remove the screws from the doorknob. Unscrew the fixing plate, if there is one. Remove the fixing plate from each side of the door. Replace with a new fixing plate. Add the doorknob onto the fixing plate. And finally, fasten the screws into position. It doesn't get much easier than that. Your DIY tip of the week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!